Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the world of health and fitness supplements. Today, we're looking at one of the best protein powders on the market, the Sacha Fitness Hydrolyzed Whey Protein Isolate, 100% grass-fed in the delicious vanilla horchata flavor. If you're serious about your fitness goals, whether you're aiming to build muscle or maintain a lean body, this product could be a game-changer for you. This hydrolyzed whey protein isolate is different from your average protein powder. Unlike regular whey concentrates that contain more fat and lactose, this protein isolate boasts a remarkable 98% purity, which means it's packed with protein and almost free of lactose. This makes it an ideal choice for those who might be lactose sensitive but still want to enjoy the benefits of a high-quality protein supplement. The hydrolyzed form of this protein means that it's pre-digested, making it easier for your body to absorb quickly. This is a big plus for anyone looking for a fast protein hit after a tough workout. Each serving provides 25 grams of protein, perfect for muscle recovery and muscle growth. Plus, it's enriched with essential amino acids like BCAAs and EAAs, which play a vital role in muscle repair and helping to prevent muscle breakdown. If you're in the process of building muscle, these nutrients are crucial for optimizing your gains. Another great benefit of this protein is the added digestive enzymes. These enzymes help improve digestion, reduce bloating, and prevent the gas that's often associated with protein powders. Whether you're using this as a post-workout recovery shake or a midday snack, your stomach will thank you for it. This product also features a wonderful vanilla horchata flavor, which is both smooth and delicious. You won't have to choke down a tasteless, chalky shake. Every sip is an enjoyable experience. If you prefer a little more creaminess, just mix it with milk instead of water. In terms of ingredients, this protein is 100% grass-fed, which means it comes from cows that are raised on a natural diet, free of hormones and antibiotics. That's something you can feel good about putting in your body. Sacha Fitness ensures the highest standards of quality with this product, as it's manufactured in a CGMP-certified facility and is also FDA inspected. You're getting a top-tier supplement that's not only effective but also produced under the strictest quality control measures. So, if you're on the hunt for a premium, fast-absorbing protein powder that delivers exceptional results, you can't go wrong with the Sacha Fitness Hydrolyzed Whey Protein Isolate. Whether you're looking to increase muscle mass, improve body composition, or simply fuel your body with the best protein available, this product is worth considering. Don't forget to check it out on Amazon today. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on health and fitness products. See you in the next video.